What if everything you touched turned into gold? Sounds amazing, right? But what if that golden wish destroyed everything you loved? This is the story of King Midas. Long ago, in a beautiful kingdom filled with green gardens and tall golden towers, lived a powerful king named Midas. King Midas was rich, very rich. He had shining gold coins, golden cups, golden chairs, and even golden walls. But still, King Midas wanted more. One quiet morning, as King Midas walked through his palace, a magical spirit appeared before him. "You have been kind," the spirit said. "I will grant you one wish." King Midas's eyes sparkled. Without thinking, he said, "I wish that everything I touch turns into gold." The spirit looked worried, but granted the wish.
"You have been kind. I will grant you one wish."
I wish that every touch turns into gold.
King Midas touched a flower. It turned into gold. He touched a chair. Gold. He laughed loudly. "I am the richest king in the world," he cheered.
I am the richest king in the world.
Gold everywhere. Gold beyond dreams. Soon King Midas felt hungry. He picked up an apple. It turned into gold. He tried bread. Gold again. King Midas frowned. "This is strange." Just then his beloved child ran to hug him. As soon as King Midas touched the child turned into a gold statue. King Midas screamed in fear. "No, no, take this power away," he cried. His palace was full of gold, but his heart was full of pain. The magical spirit returned. "Do you still want the golden touch?" the spirit asked. King Midas shook his head. "I only want my family back," he said softly. The spirit told him to wash his hands in a nearby river.
"Do such?
I only want my family back."
Then wash your hands in the nearby river."
King Midas rushed to the river and washed his hands. The magic disappeared. His child returned to life. The food was normal again. King Midas hugged his family with tears in his eyes. From that day on, King Midas changed. He shared his wealth. He helped the poor. He valued love over gold. He learned that kindness is richer than gold. Greed can make us lose what truly matters. Love, family, and kindness are more valuable than gold. And so King Midas lived wisely and happily, not as the richest king, but as the kindest one.